is for my small business and network marketing friends, as well as anybody else who is out there looking to support their friend's small business without spending too much money or breaking the bank. So I'm going to be talking about today how to support a small business completely free. If you guys are new here, I would absolutely love if you considered liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and clicking that bell icon so that you guys never miss out on a training. Hey everyone, welcome to episode 15 of Spilling the Tea. My name is Tisha Doriana, and I help passionate and driven network marketers better connect with their audience through social media, all within a loose leaf tea and wellness company. I post a brand new video each and every Wednesday on my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, so make sure you guys tune in. Today on the agenda, as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about how you can support a small business for free. So if you are a small business owner or a network marketer, this is going to be a great video to share with your audience as well. I'm going to get into 5 ideas on how you can support a small business or a network marketer. But first, I have to tell you guys something. Did you know that when you support a small business, an actual person gets up out of their seat and does a happy dance? That's a live thing of what I do when someone supports me. When you support a small business, you're supporting a family. You could be supporting a single parent. You could be supporting someone paying their gas bills, their grocery bills, or even putting a child through a sport or college. There are so many different things that you could be supporting. So on behalf of all small business owners, thank you to everyone who has ever supported us. It means the absolute world. So my first idea for helping support a small business owner is to follow them on social media. Whether they have a page or a group or even a YouTube channel, make sure you support them by giving them a follow. The more engaged members or followers that a person has on their page, the better it is for the small business owner. Let me explain that a little better, and this comes to idea number 2. What we really need is for you to help us by engaging on our posts, by simply liking, commenting, or even sharing one of our posts. It makes the biggest difference. You could really help us get the word out there for our small business just by sharing with your friends and family. Let me explain a little bit on how the social media algorithms work. So when you like our post, that is good. We are so happy to see that you liked our post and that you read it. If you comment on our post, that's even better. That's great, because what's that telling to the social media platform is that people like your post so much that they're commenting on it. And sharing our post is freaking amazing. We love when people do this, because what that tells the algorithm is that you love our post so much that you wanted to share it with other people. You wanted to share this with your own followers or your own family and friends. So what the social platforms do, such as Facebook and Instagram, is when they see that people are interacting and engaging with our posts, they're going to show our post to more people. Because here's a fun fact. I know on Instagram that when you put a post up, they show your post to 10% of your followers. It's a low number. And so when they show that post to the 10% of your followers, if that 10% engages with that post, that tells Instagram that you guys like that post. So they're gonna now push it out to another 10% of your followers. And the more engagement we get, the more our post expands and sees other people and new accounts. So that is just simply briefly how the algorithm works and how you engaging with our posts helps us so much. The third idea is to tag a friend or refer a friend. So if you ever see something that a friend or family member would absolutely love, instead of screenshotting it and sending it to them through a text message, tag them right in the post or send them the post with that little airplane icon on Instagram, because that is going to help our post get boosted so that more people see it. Or another thing you could do is let your small business friend know that you know someone who would absolutely love this. Refer that friend to them so they can reach out themselves. It's the same thing as when you try, this incredible beverage from Starbucks and you need to share it with your friends. So you send them a picture of it, you share it on social media because it's incredible. Or another example, if you just tried this new recipe that you found on Pinterest, I want to share that with people because it was incredible and I want other people to know it as well. So I look at it as the exact same thing. If you see a product that your friend sells, then, tag them in that post to tell them that you think they'd love this. My fourth idea is to write a 5-star review. So if you've tried their product or service before and you've enjoyed it, why not write them a review? Why not share this with the world? And what I mean is if they have a business page, go right on their business page and give them a review. We don't really like to ask for them that much, but it means the absolute world to us when you just go on there voluntarily and write a review of what you've enjoyed about it and why others should look into it as well. It is so appreciated. And my last idea is if this is a small business owner in network marketing, why not host a party or an event with them? Generally, online events are completely free to do. Not only is this going to help your friend get the word out there, but it's also going to give you benefits of earning generally free and discounted products for yourself. So it's kind of a win-win. Usually there's not a lot of work on your end, and the impact it can make for a small business owner is huge. Even if it's expanding to one extra person out there, it is incredible. One fear that I know a lot of people have when hosting an event is that they're scared it's not going to be successful, but just know that we are so happy regardless that you said yes to hosting an event, and we're willing to share that with the rest of your friends and family. It's minimal effort, it's free to do, and it really helps us out as well as it could help you out sending you on a free shopping spree. So that concludes today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are a small business owner or network marketer, make sure you share this with your audience as well, just to let them know that we really do appreciate the small things, even if it's a free way of supporting us. Make sure you guys tune in next Wednesday for another episode of Spilling the Tea. And if you haven't already, make sure you consider subscribing, liking the video, and hitting that bell icon so that you never miss out on a training. And lastly, if you guys want to stay updated on all that's new with me and get some extra tips from me, make sure you consider subscribing to my email list. The link will be in the event description of this video, or if you're watching on Instagram, check out the link in my bio. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye!